you, dear student? Everybody fine? Now, in last lecture, we started our chapter of part 2, first chapter of organic standard 12, haloalkane and haloarine. Now in our second lecture, before going to start our second lecture, once again revision of last lecture, classified our haloalkanes and haloarines. Whenever halogen containing carbon is sp3 hybridized, on the basis of it we classified mono haloalkane, 2 halogen containing is dihaloalkane, 3 halogen containing is trihaloalkane. Now, if our halogen containing carbons, halogen containing carbon should be sp3 hybridized, otherwise halogen is attached bonded with alkane. So alkyl halide, there are two types, primary alkyl halide, halogen containing carbon is attached with another one carbon, so it should be primary alkyl halide. Whenever halogen containing carbon is attached with another 2 carbon, this one should be sp3 hybridized and that carbon is connected with another 2, so it should be secondary. And whenever our halogen containing carbon is attached with another 3 carbon, so tertiary alkyl halide. Here compulsorily halogen containing carbon should be sp3 hybridized. We discussed in last lecture. Now, then after allylic, yes. What is allylic? Carbon possesses double bond. Then after carbon having sp3 hybridization and on it there is halogen, so allylic halide we discussed. This one also allylic, this is not benzene, cyclohexene, double bond after single bond and on that carbon there is one halogen. This one also allylic. Understood? We discussed about it on our last lecture. Now, then after allylic, what is benzylic? Yes, benzylic was also done. In the benzene ring, one carbon is attached, which is sp3 hybridized, and on it there is one halogen, so benzylic halide. We discussed in last lecture. Yes, now halogen containing carbon attached with another one, so primary. Whenever here halogen containing carbon is attached with another 2, secondary benzylic halide. Halogen containing carbon is attached with another 3. In benzylic halide, there are also 3 types of primary, secondary. Why this one primary? Halogen containing carbon is sp3 hybridized, which is attached with benzene, so benzylic. And that carbon is directly connected with one, so primary. Here halogen containing carbon is sp3 hybridized and also attached with benzene ring, so benzylic, but this carbon is connected with 2 carbons, so secondary. Halogen containing carbon is attached with another 3 carbon and that carbon is sp3 hybridized, so this one tertiary. Now, another classification Now we are going to start our second lecture, revision our compounds containing sp2 hybridized carbon with a halogen bond. So it is a vinylic, there are two. Vinylic halide, vinylic halide, vinylic halide. Yes. These are the compound in which the halogen atom is bonded in sp2 hybridized carbon atom. These are the compounds in which the halogen atom is bonded to an sp2 hybridized carbon. Our halogen is directly connected with double bond having carbon. So CH2 double bond Cl, there is X. Yes. Carbon is directly attached with the sp2 hybridized carbon. So that is vinylic halide. Here also, this is cyclohexene. Here halogen, not here. Double bond having carbon means sp2 hybridized. Everybody know about hybridization? Sigma, 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 pi. 3 sigma, bonding pair 3, lone pair 0. Pi bond we are not considering in counting of hybridization. So it is the vinylic halide. Name of it, yes. Your common name is the vinyl chloride. Here is cyclohexene chloride. Otherwise, one chlorocyclohex, one in. Now, second in this condition is the aryl halide. Second one is the aryl halide. Aryl halides we are calling. These are the compound. These are the compounds in which the halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the benzene ring or aromatic ring direct connected with benzene ring. In benzene actually all the carbons are sp2 hybridized. All the carbon are sp2 hybridized. So there are 3 sigma and 1 pi. So every carbon is sp2 hybridized. So here halogen is connected directly with the carbon which possesses sp2. Here halogen out of 6 attached, it is the aryl halide. If we are taking their chlorine, so chlorobenzene. If there should be bromine, so bromobenzene. This one is the toluene. Here is X, so para-halotoluene. Otherwise, suppose chlorine is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-chlorotoluene. Understood? Now classification over here. Now we are going to nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Nomenclature of haloalkane and haloarenes. Now there are two type of names, common name and IUPAC name. In our book, name is given directly. Here for nomenclature of common, I am giving you some groups and you have to remember. There is no any rule for common names. So we are going common name. Some important group for common name. Yes. So one by one. CH3. In methane, one hydrogen is less. So it is methyl. In salt, sometimes be written as an Me. In methane, if two hydrogen is less, so methylene. Methyl, methylene for common name. Understood? Now, in the case of ethane, one hydrogen less, so which is ethyl. In salt, in return, it comes Et. If here one hydrogen less or one here, whatever, it is ethyl. If two hydrogen less on both ends side, so which is ethylene. In 3 carbon, one hydrogen less. All the 3 carbons are in linear position. One hydrogen less on left hand side or right hand side, which is normal propyl. All the groups are for common name, not for IUPAC name. Normal CH3CH dash CH3. This one is a isopropyl. Yes. In 3 carbon, if one hydrogen less in middle one, so it is a isopropyl. This one is normal propyl. Now what about 4 carbon? In the 4 carbon, one hydrogen less on right hand side or left hand side. So normal butyl. This group, function group is called normal butyl. In 4 carbon, one hydrogen, all the 4 are in linear position. Here one hydrogen is less, so it is a secondary, not iso. Here is iso. Conditions are different. So there is no any rule for common name. So we have to compulsorily remember, nothing else. All these names are given by scientists in earlier stage in the development of organic chemistry. So we have to remember. Secondary butyl. If here is one hydrogen less, so both are same. When we convert, so this one also secondary butyl. Isopropyl in salt, we are taking like this, CH3 twice and CH. This one isopropyl. Now CH3CH, here CH3 as a branch. Total number of carbons are 4. In the common name, we have to count all the carbons. So 4 carbon, so butyl. One hydrogen less here. And after that carbon, there is a branch, is methyl. not ethyl but methyl. So it should be isobutyl. One hydrogen less on that particular carbon, and after that carbon it possesses one branch as a methyl, so it should be isobutyl. This is condition for propyl iso. Is condition iso for butyl. Remember, if one hydrogen less here having carbon is attached with another 3 and total number of carbons are 4, so this is a tertiary butyl. Now I am giving you application of it, uses of it. Suppose chlorine is here. So in common nomenclature we have to read like this: methyl chloride. Two groups we have to read: methyl group and chlorine group. Methyl chloride. Here is 2 chlorine. Methylene chloride, not dichloride, only methylene chloride. Here is chlorine, ethyl chloride. Here is chlorine, ethylene chloride, ethylene dichloride. Yes. Normal propyl chloride, isopropyl chloride, normal butyl chloride. Simple. Secondary butyl chloride. This one also secondary butyl chloride. This one isobutyl chloride. This one tertiary butyl chloride. Whenever number of carbons are far. So what about it? Total number of carbons are 5 in our longest chain or are in linear position. One hydrogen is less in last one, so which is a normal pentyl. If one hydrogen less in middle one, 1 or 1, here, otherwise here. So it should be secondary pentyl. All the 3s are secondary. Last one, except last one, middle 3, inner are 3. Where is in the inner carbon one hydrogen less, here, here or here, it is secondary pentyl. Now, what is the tertiary pentyl? This one. Total number of carbons are 5. Less hydrogen having carbon is attached directly with 3. So tertiary pentyl. What about iso? In the 5 carbon, one hydrogen less having carbon. Then after carbon having one methyl group, where one hydrogen less on particular carbon, on its neighbor carbon has one branch, not ethyl but methyl. Total number of carbon 5, so this one isopentyl. Now what about neo? Yes. Whenever total number of carbons are 5 and one hydrogen less having carbon is attached with carbon where 2 branches of methyl, so that is the neopentyl. Understood? When we take here chlorine, so common name normal pentyl chlorine, we are taking chlorine here, so secondary pentyl chloride. Here chlorine is present, tertiary pentyl chloride. Here is chlorine, isopentyl chloride. Here is chlorine, neopentyl chloride. Understood? Now some another groups we are going to discuss. In ethene, one hydrogen is less. So it is vinyl group, vinyl. CH2 double bond CH, then after CH2. This one allyl. In the benzene ring, one hydrogen less, C6H5. So it is phenyl. In the toluene, one hydrogen less, benzyl. Here is chlorine, so benzyl chloride. Here is chlorine, phenyl chloride. Here is chlorine, allyl chloride. Here is chlorine, vinyl chloride. Understood? This is the use. If in toluene there are two hydrogen less, benzyl, benzal, yes. Then if all the three hydrogen less, so it should be benzo. Benzyl chloride, benzyl dichloride, and since 3 chlorine here, so benzo trichloride. Understood? These are the common names group. Now we are going in our book. Some examples are given there. Give the common and IUPAC name of the compound. In our book, some names are given. So one by one we are going to discuss. We will discuss both type of name here. Just tell me. Here common name, total number of carbon 3, and on last one there is bromine. So this is a normal propyl bromide. Now IUPAC name, here branch on first carbon, from here it is third, so first one bromo propane. Understood? Now second one, suppose CH3CHBr and CH3 is given. So here common name, total number of carbons are 3. Once again I am telling you, you have to remember our chart for common name. Otherwise we can't give any name. 1, 2 and 3. But here out of 3 carbon, middle one has 1 hydrogen less, and that is bromine. So this one isopropyl bromide. Here functional group is isopropyl, here is bromide, so combining name is isopropyl bromide. Now what about IUPAC name? We discussed in our standard 11. Total number of carbons are 3, so propane. Functional group is on second position and it has a prefix, not a suffix. So prefix comes first. So 2-bromo propane is our IUPAC name. If CH3, CH2, suppose CH3, branch CH, then CH2Cl is given. So common name, total number of carbon come first 4, so butyl. On the last one there is 1 hydrogen less, and its neighbor has 1 branch methyl, so it should be isobutyl. Then functional group is chloride, so isobutyl chloride. Now what about IUPAC name of it? Here is 1, 2 and 3. Order should be reference to reactivity. Reactivity of chlorine is higher than methyl, so numbering should be start with chlorine, so 1, 2. But in return comes the alphabetical order. So C comes first, C 1 chloro. Here prefix is chloro. 2 methyl and propane. This is our IUPAC name. Now, what about this one? Benzene ring contains bromine. So, common name and IUPAC, both here bromobenzene is given our book. Yes, bromobenzene. But I am telling you another name of it is a phenyl bromide. This part is phenyl, this part bromide. But in our book accepted both names same, bromobenzene and IUPAC, bromobenzene. If benzene ring contains 2 bromine, so there are 3 possibilities. If both bromine are on adjacent carbon, so ortho. On alternate, meta. On opposite carbon is the para. Ortho dibromobenzene. Meta dibromobenzene and para dibromobenzene. Here bromine is on first and second. 1, 2 dibromobenzene. 1, 3 dibromobenzene. Here is 1, 4 dibromobenzene. Understood? In IUPAC. These are IUPAC name and these are common name. Understood? And now, if 3 halogens are present in benzene ring, 1, 3, 5 on first, on third carbon, on fifth, there is bromine. 1, 3, 5, bromine 3 times, so prefix tri, bromobenzene. This one is IUPAC name. Now common name of it is here 3 bromine, but it is a symmetrical tribromobenzene is the common name. Now what about this CH3C, CH3CH3 and CH2Cl? So here common name, total number of carbon 5, check. So pentyl. And 1 hydrogen less having carbon, neighbor possesses 1 hydrogen less having carbons, neighbor possesses 2 branches and both are methyl. So which is a neopentyl, then chloride. What about IUPAC name? In the longest chain, there are 3 carbon. Numbering start with chlorine due to reactivity high of chlorine. So 1 chloro, in naming both having prefix chloro and methyl. So due to alphabetical order, C comes first, 1 chloro, 2 dimethyl and propane. 1 chloro, 2 dimethyl and propane. Now CH3, CHBr and CH3. So 2 bromo, propane is the IUPAC name. Common name isopropyl bromide. Understood? Now, dihaloalkanes having the same type of halogen atoms are named as alkylidene or alkylene. If two same halogen are present in the compound, if two same halogen atoms are present in the compound, it should be classified as a alkylidene, or alkylene dihalides. I am giving you example of that. Alkylidene means geminal. Another name is geminal, where vicinal, geminal and vicinal. Alkylene dihalide is vicinal dihalide. Alkylidene is the geminal. How geminal? If both halogen atoms on same carbon, so it should be geminal. If two same halogen are on adjacent carbon, so it should be vicinal. This one is vicinal dihalide. This one is geminal dihalide. Give the IUPAC name of it. 1,1-dichloroethane. What about IUPAC name? 1,2-dichloroethane. Yes. This is IUPAC name, but common name of it is alkylidene, means ethylidene. Alkylidene means ethylidene. Ethylidene chloride. This one is ethylidene. Ethylidene, yes, like this, ethylidene. This part is ethylidene and chloride. Di is not here allowed, only ethylidene chloride. Here two chlorine, but not di allowed. Ethylidene chloride. Here is ethylene. Here di is compulsory. Ethylene dichloride. This is vicinal. Vicinal means now if two halogens same are present in compound and both are on same carbon, so geminal. If both are on adjacent carbon, on neighbor carbon, so it is the vicinal. Now in our table, we are going in our table some nomenclature we are going to discuss. IUPAC in common both. So one by one, CH3CH2 structure. CH3CH2Cl. Here is in the bracket chlorine is given. In the bracket given means it should be as a branch. Here is a branch. First of all, common name, then IUPAC. Give the name of this compound. When your bracket comes, it means it indicates it should be as a branch. Here total number of carbon 4. So butyl, in common name butyl, and in a middle inner carbon having one hydrogen less, there is functional group. So secondary butyl chloride. This part is secondary butyl, this part is chloride, secondary butyl chloride. But in IUPAC we are using prefix of it. This is name of functional group chloride in common name. But in IUPAC name it has a prefix. It is given in your standard 11 book. Now we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Numbering start from here. Why? We have to give list order. So 2 chloro butane is IUPAC name, 2 chlorobutane. Now CH3 thrice C CH2Br. First of all, meaning of this, on this carbon 3 times methyl, meaning of it is, then CH2Br. Now for common name, total number of carbons are 5, pentyl, okay, and one hydrogen less having carbon's neighbor possesses 2 branches, and both should be methyl. If ethyl is there or ethyl, then it not should be pentyl, not neo. This one is neo, neo pentyl bromide. Now what about IUPAC name? We have to choose longest chain. There are 3 carbon, 1, 2 and 3. So 1 bromo, 2 dimethyl propane. 1 bromo, 2 dimethyl propane. Now what about CH3 thrice CBr? So here there are 3 methyl group on this carbon. There is also 1 bromine. So common name of it, this part is a tertiary butyl. You can see total number of carbon 4. 1 hydrogen less having carbon is directly attached with another 3. So common name for this is the tertiary butyl then bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide. What about IUPAC name? Total number of carbons are 3 in longest chain. 1, 2 and 3. Reactivity of bromine and methyl both on same position 2, 2. But due to alphabetical order, bromine comes first. So 2 bromo, 2 methyl and propane. 2 bromo, 2 methyl propane. Now what about this compound? CH2 double bond CHCl. Yes, in our chart, this part is a vinyl. Vinyl chloride. In IUPAC name, chloroethene. Yes, this part is ethene. Prefix come first, chloroethene. Now CH2 double bond CH, CH2Br. What about this? This part is allyl, allyl bromide. In IUPAC name, 1 bromo, here reactivity of double bond is higher than halogen. So numbering start from here to get least order having higher reactivity group. So 3 bromo propene. Understood? Now, chlorine and methyl group in benzene ring. This part is toluene and this place is ortho in common name orthochloro toluene, orthochlorotoluene. Now what about IUPAC name? 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene. Reactivity order is high of chlorine. 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene. Not start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. List order 1 and 2. From here 1 and 6. No, 1 and 6 not allowed. 1 and 2. 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene. Another name also 2-chlorotoluene. IUPAC name 2-chlorotoluene. But we are taking main compound toluene, which is accepted by IUPAC as a toluene. So branch on second, so 2-chlorotoluene also. Another IUPAC name. Suppose here is the CH2Cl. So this part is benzyl chloride. Now IUPAC name chlorophenylmethane. Chlorophenylmethane. On this carbon there are two branches, chloro and phenyl. Chlorophenylmethane, which is IUPAC name. Now CH2Cl2. What about CH2Cl2? We discussed in our chart CH2 means methylene. Methylene chloride. Here di is not allowed, only methylene chloride. In IUPAC name dichloromethane. There are two chlorines, dichloromethane. If CH3, so this is world famous name, chloroform, common name. It is no any rule, no any laws. Trichloromethane. One carbon means methane and there is 3 carbon. Numbering is not necessary. Why? Only one carbon is there. If CHBr3 is given, so bromoform, CHI3 is given, then iodoform. Iodoform, yes, bromoform, iodoform. Here IUPAC name tribromomethane. Here is tri-iodomethane. If CCl4 is given, so common name of it is carbon tetrachloride. Here IUPAC name tetrachloromethane. CH3, CH2, CH2F. Normal propyl fluoride. Normal propyl fluoride. IUPAC name 1-fluoropropane. Now last point of the day, question 10.1. Last point of the day, question number 10.1. Draw the structure Question number 10.1. Draw the structure of all 8 structural isomers that have the molecular formula is a C5H11Br. Name each isomer. Name each isomer and classify them in primary, secondary or tertiary. Here our molecular formula is C5H11Br. So 8 isomer which is already given. So one by one we have to draw. Total number of carbons are 5. If on last one there is a branch bromine, so 1 bromo pentane. Yes, from here it should be 5, but from here it should be faster. So 1 bromo pentane, which is primary. 5. Here bromine containing carbon is attached with another one, so it should be primary. Then CH3, CH2, CH2, CHBr and CH3. Here is bromine present. So numbering start from here, it should be 4, but from here 2, so 2 bromo pentane. This one is secondary. Why? Bromine containing carbon is attached with another 2 carbon, so it should be secondary. Now CH3, CH2, CHBr, CH2, CH3, 1, 2 and 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. 3 bromo pentane. This one secondary also. Why? Bromine containing carbon is directly attached with another 2 carbon atoms. So it is secondary. Now fourth one. CH3 twice means CH3, CH3. Here 2 times. Then CH2, CH2Br. This one isomer. Total number of carbon 5, 1 bromine, 11 nitrogen. You can see numbering start from here due to reactivity order. Reactivity of bromine is higher than methyl. 1 bromo, 3 methyl and butane. In the longest chain there are 4 carbon. This one is now as a branch. So this one is tell me type of primary, secondary or tertiary. Tell me type of it. Tell me type of it. Primary. Bromine containing carbon is attached with another one. It is the primary. Now CH3, CH3, CH. Then suppose here bromine comes as a branch. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Numbering start from here. So 2 bromo, 3 methyl butane. 2 bromo, 3 methyl butane. Now type of it, secondary. Bromine containing carbon attached with another 2, secondary. Now sixth one, CH3, CH3. Here bromine comes. What about this? In the longest chain there are 4 carbons. Methyl and bromine as a branch. Number from the left hand side, not right hand side. From right hand side it will be 3. But least order we have to choose. So both branches are in second position. So bromine comes first, alphabetical order B. 2-bromo, 2-methyl butane. Here type of it is a tertiary. Why? Bromine containing carbon is attached with another 3 carbon. Tertiary. Now what about CH3, CH2, CH? Then CH3 and CH2Br. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 bromo, 2 methyl and butane. Here type is primary. Halogen containing carbon is connected with 1. This one primary. Now last one now. Ether. CH3 thrice. Along this carbon there are 3 CH3 group. Then CH2Br, which is also isomer. 1, 2. In longest chain there are 3 carbon. First position of bromine, on second 2 times methyl, 1 bromo, 2 dimethyl and propane. This one also primary. Why? Bromine containing carbon is attached with another one. Bye. We will meet in our next lecture. Jai Hind. Do revision yourself.